My name is John Antloger. I'm a service advisor at Team-One Automotive, and I've been here since January of 2023. I think my favorite thing about working here are my coworkers. I'm friends with a lot of these guys. I was friends with them, a lot of them before I started. And I would say number two are the cars. We get a lot of cool cars in here, especially now that it's springtime. We're starting to get a lot of the fun cars that are coming out. People are getting them out of their garages, doing some maintenance, getting them ready for the year. I would say number three is our facility. It's very nice in here. We have all the accommodations that we could ever ask for. Anytime we need something, whether the guys need a new tool or we need something to make our jobs easier, it's just automatically here, usually next day. So we're well accommodated for. We keep a good culture here. Everyone's really respectful to each other, I think people know that we all work really hard and we're all here to work and we all respect each other for that. It's a good place to work.
My name's Devin Hurd. I work here at Team-One Automotive. I've worked here since November of 2022, so just over 2 years, almost 3. Some of my favorite reasons of why I like to work here at Team-One is definitely the camaraderie between everyone. We're just a big, happy family. We get along. There's not very many arguments or disagreements or anything. And then number two would definitely have to be all the unique and rare cars that we get in. Like the other day, we had a 1 of 120 Bentley. Pretty amazing.
What's up? My name is Gabriel Jones, and I am here. I'm a shop coordinator here at Team-One Automotive. And I love it because it's family-oriented, and my boss is the stuff. And then I love working with all these master mechanics.
Nick Golden. I am a service technician here at Team-One. I've been here for about 2 years, just right over. And a few things that I like about it being here are the people. I love everyone I work with here. It's like a family. And I love cars. I love all the cars we get here, mostly BMWs, but I love all cars. So, simple as that.
Hi, my name is Eric Tate, and I am the shop foreman here. Recently promoted to shop foreman here at Team-One Automotive. There's a couple things that I really enjoy about working at Team-One. The biggest thing that I feel like I take home with me every day is just the team atmosphere at Team-One. Everyone works together. We're all in this together. It's almost like a family. I really enjoy that. And it feels like everything that I do here matters. That's important to me. And then the second, honestly, I have to say is probably our customer base. We have really, really good customers. They are ambitious to take care of their cars and let us work on their cars and service their cars, and they're always very involved with that process, and I feel like it makes a big difference. So that's it for me.
My name is Jordan, and I am a A-level technician here at Team-One, and I am going on 3 years of working here now. A couple of reasons why I like working over here at Team-One is Nate has taken everything basically that is bad about the dealerships and independent shops and made it into one big, just great place to work at. Everybody is team players here. We all help each other. We have central heat and AC, which is very, very nice, especially in the winter and summer times. It's just an all-around great environment. Everyone's a team player. We help one another whenever help is needed, and we have all sorts of people here from Mopar to BMW, so we have a very, very great wide majority of knowledge here, basically, so it's very nice.
Guys, my name is Chase Bluford. I'm a part of Team-One Automotive. I'm their business relations manager. I've been working for Team-One for about 3 years. Honestly, I'd say my favorite part about working here is the people. Everyone feels like family. As well as being able to provide transparency and education to our customers. I think that's extremely important, especially in the kind of climate that we work in. I want to make sure that everyone's very much informed, knows exactly what's going on with their car from stem to stem.
Hey, I'm Chris. I'm a technician here at Team-One. I've been working here about 8 months now. Two biggest reasons I like working here are we see a lot of really cool cars, like everything from Ferraris to old school Mustangs to lifted Chevy pickups, everything in between. So getting to experience all that's pretty cool. But really the biggest reason is just Nate. Having a boss that's just so passionate, not only about the industry, but about cars themselves, and everything to do with it is just makes it really easy to work for him.